What's up, my YouTube friends? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and today we're gonna have some fun showing you some stuff. But today, right now, we're gonna talk all about black things that we do here at Weldtec Designs. Like, how about a black hat, maybe? Or maybe some black RV parts, maybe? Or how about a black hoodie? Or maybe even a black shirt? What do you guys think? You know, I mean, you can never have enough cool black clothing items, but you guys know we're not here to talk about clothing. However, we would love to sell you some and have you guys representing. I'll put a link down below. And hey, let's say this, whoever comments on this video, we will enter you in to win a cool new black Weldtec shirt. But what I want to talk about is this awesome motorhome behind me and what we're doing on it. It's called our blackout package. And what that's going to consist of is we ditched the chrome grille on the front of this thing because we know we did not want that. And then we've also taken the bumper, we've powder coated it black as well, got rid of that chrome and took it one step further as we run around this thing. And we're going to come over here. You can see now we've also taken these wheels, we've blacked them out, so that's going to be great. It's going to go with the shocks and coils and everything on there. I'm going to get more into the whole lift of this and what we did on this RV to make it awesome. Before we do that, let's also check out the black hubcaps in the back. So again, one more black thing, and that's the hubcaps on here. Now guys, why I'm showing you this is because this is a great option if you don't want to have to invest in the wheels for your RV. Powder coating all of these parts black is a lot cheaper than putting all new components on there. As well as the great thing about this is the key right here, is when you get into a lot of these tire sizes, it's really difficult to find a good tire. And staying with this 16-inch tire, the benefit is that if you're going to run one spare, you will be able to use that on all 6 of your places on the vehicle. So whether it be the front or the rear, you can have one spare still. Something to think about. So that's it. That's all about it. That's all I got for all this black cool stuff. If you guys have questions on any of this, comment below. I know this video was short and sweet. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and like I said, comment below. Let me know if you like it. And everyone that comments, you'll be entered in to win a t-shirt. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec, and I will see you guys later.